In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Spotify account. So if you have not created a Spotify account before, ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you right now. Now you need to download the app, right? The Spotify app. So open up your Spotify. This is the app. I'm going to open it, right? So if you open it, you're going to see this sign up and login, right? So you're going to click on sign up, right? So we're going to continue with our Gmail. I'll click on this, right? Okay, if you have a Gmail, you can enter your Gmail, right, for confirmation. So I'm going to click on continue with Google, right? So it's going to load up. I'll click on continue. I'll wait for this to open, right? So if you have your Gmail account logged in right here, you're going to select anyone, right? I'm going to select the how to do, right? So I'm going to click on continue, right? So I'm going to wait for it. I think I'll wait for very few seconds. Wait for this to load up, right? So you're going to select your date of birth. So I can just select, let me say 2011, right? Select, so you click on done. I'm going to select your gender, click on male, right? Next. So this is our username, right? So I'm going to click on create account. So this is basically how you can do this. Once you're done, just click on this create account. Everything is going to go through. So if you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching through.